The greatest reason you might lose your freedom after the age of 50 isn't heart disease or memory loss, but rather having weak, unstable legs.
Do not believe the common myth that chronic back pain is simply an inevitable part of getting older. This is often a sign of muscles seeking more nourishment.
When your muscles lack the right nutrients, your spine loses its support system, leading to a life impacted by physical limitations and discomfort. While we often focus on heart health, your legs and spine are the true foundations of your daily autonomy and your ability to move freely. Without a strong core and resilient legs, your world begins to shrink. You lose the freedom to travel, play with grandkids, or even walk comfortably. This condition occurs when your body lacks the specific building blocks needed to maintain its critical structural integrity and strength. As muscles weaken, your spinal discs take the full force of every movement, which can lead to thinning and eventually cause persistent, chronic discomfort.
You do not always need complex procedures.
What you truly seek is real, nutrient-dense food to nourish your structural system. Today, Premier's Health will reveal 10 superfoods that can support your spine for just a few pennies a day, starting right inside your own kitchen pantry. Starting our list at number 10 is the powerful combination of fresh turmeric and black pepper, the ultimate duo for supporting a healthy inflammatory response. The piperine in black pepper increases the absorption of turmeric's curcumin significantly, making it a potent natural supporter for your back. Once absorbed, these molecules support your joints, helping to manage the chronic inflammation that can lead to nagging backaches. This process helps manage metabolic byproducts in your spine, allowing your body to maintain its natural wellness without relying solely on other interventions. Number 9 is fatty fish like sardines and mackerel. These are affordable sources of high-quality proteins and the essential fats your body seeks. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, these fish provide a highly bioavailable source of nutrients that support your system effectively. Think of omega-3s as a high-quality lubricant for your spinal discs, helping them stay hydrated and resilient against the daily pressures of standing and walking. Number 8, dark leafy greens. These are the nutritional foundation for your skeletal frame, providing the essential minerals needed for healthy bone density. They are packed with magnesium and calcium, which work together to ensure your bones stay strong and your muscles can relax properly after movement. By regularly consuming these greens, you are essentially fortifying your spine, supporting its resilience against the changes that can occur over time. These 3 foods alone can change the environment of your body. But the next secret is what truly helps the body maintain itself from within. Meet Samuel, a 70-year-old man who once thought he would spend his time relying on a cane due to chronic spinal concerns. Today, Samuel walks 3 miles a day in the park, moving with comfort. His secret wasn't a miracle, but a simple, foundational dietary habit. Number 7, bone broth. Samuel started drinking a serving of this nutrient-rich liquid every single day to support his joints and connective tissues. Bone broth is incredibly affordable to make, yet it is a source of natural collagen, an essential component that helps hold your entire body together. This liquid gold provides the amino acids required to support the healthy maintenance of your tendons and the surfaces of your spinal joints. It is naturally rich in glucosamine and chondroitin, compounds often found in supplements, but here they are in a highly absorbable, natural form. For Samuel, this daily ritual was a turning point that allowed his body to support the cushioning between his spinal vertebrae. Number 6, eggs. Often misunderstood, eggs are an excellent and complete source of protein for supporting aging muscles. To support healthy muscle mass, you need high-quality protein containing all 9 essential amino acids to encourage natural maintenance. Without enough protein, the body may struggle to maintain its own muscle tissue, potentially leaving your spine with less support and more discomfort. By eating eggs, you provide the building blocks needed to support the muscle structure that keeps your spine aligned and well supported. Research suggests that maintaining protein intake is the key to preserving mobility as we age past 50. Remember, your spine is supported by the muscles that hold it up. Protein is essential for your physical independence and strength. To truly support your wellness, we must look at the cellular level. Your spinal discs require specific nutrients to stay hydrated and strong. Number 5, berries. These vibrant fruits are packed with antioxidants that protect your spinal cells from oxidative stress. The high vitamin C content in citrus and berries is an essential factor your body needs to support its own natural collagen production. Think of vitamin C as a master supporter that helps maintain your collagen fibers, creating a protective environment for your spinal discs. This maintenance process helps ensure your discs remain supportive, helping to absorb the shock of your steps and managing friction.
Number 4. Lentils and beans.
These are a gold standard because they are incredibly affordable, yet packed with beneficial minerals.
You don't need a fortune to eat well. These simple legumes provide the steady energy and building blocks your body needs every day.
They are rich in zinc and copper, minerals that are critical for the healthy cross-linking of collagen, which supports strong ligaments. Stronger ligaments mean a more stable spine. When your ligaments are healthy, your back maintains its stability more effectively during daily activities.
Number 3. Seeds and nuts.
Pumpkin seeds and almonds are miniature power plants filled with the minerals your vertebrae need to stay strong. These minerals support your vertebrae, helping to ensure your bones remain resilient as the years pass. A healthy spine is a well-nourished spine. These small daily snacks provide the constant supply of nutrients required for long-term spinal maintenance. We are reaching the top of our list, where the most powerful protectors of your cartilage reside. Let's look at another real-life success story. This is Elaine, 68 years old. For years, she found it difficult to engage in gardening without feeling significant discomfort in her back. Now she moves with great ease and grace. Her secret was adding a specific group of vegetables to her daily meals. She discovered that certain vegetables contain natural compounds that act as a support system for the cartilage between her spinal joints. Number 2. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cabbage. These are powerful nutritional allies for your back health. These vegetables are a primary source of sulforaphane, a sulfur-rich compound that has a very specific and positive effect on your joints. Sulforaphane is a powerful supporter that helps manage the enzymes involved in the natural wear and tear of cartilage as we age. By eating broccoli, you are essentially providing nutritional support to protect your spine throughout your daily life. This allows your cartilage to maintain its healthy function, which is the key to moving comfortably. For Elaine, the change was significant. Within weeks, she felt much more flexible and was able to reclaim her active life. The difference between discomfort and free movement often comes down to the simple nutritional choices you make every day. And now, we arrive at the number 1 most powerful food for spinal support. This is a premier building material for your body. The number 1 superfood is natural gelatin. Derived from high-quality sources, it provides concentrated structural support. Gelatin contains amino acids that are key components of your spinal discs. It provides focused nutritional support for your back. It provides the raw material to support the healthy function of your discs, helping them maintain their natural shock-absorbing properties. From turmeric to gelatin, these 10 foods form a complete system to support a healthy response to inflammation and rebuild your physical strength. Studies support the power of these specific dietary choices for improving musculoskeletal health in seniors. Don't wait for discomfort to impact your life. Start supporting your health from your kitchen today. Subscribe to Prime Years Health for more science-based wellness tips. Share this video to support the freedom and strength of your loved ones.
Be sure to click the subscribe button.